Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to blur background in Capcut on PC. The process is really simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is import your video or picture in the Capcut on which you want to blur the background. And how can you import data? Tap on this option Import to import your videos or picture in Capcut. Click and drag it to the editing section. Now the next thing you have to do is, in the editing section, tap on your video and do a right click of your mouse and tap on the first option, which is copy. Now paste the video on the top of the first one by doing a right click and tap on the option paste. Now you can see the video has been pasted on the top of the first one. Select the first video and take a look on the right top. You can see the option cutout. Tap on this option and tap on this option auto cutout. With the help of this feature, the background of top video will be removed, and once you've done auto cutout. Take a look on the left top. Here you will see few options: media, audio, text, stickers, and effect. From these options, tap on the option effect. And in the search bar, search for blur effect. And here are all the effects of blur. Select one of these by tapping on specific one and drop it to the lower video. As you can see, the blur effect has been applied, and you can see the background of this video has been blurred successfully. You can also manage the intensity of blur by yourself by swiping this line on the left side or on the right side. And after you've done all, tap on an export to export your video from Capcut to PC. So it was the fundamental way by which you can blur video background on Capcut.